Matthew, and today we're at the Friendly Truck Driving School, and today we'll be demonstrating the uncoupling and coupling. So my vehicle is parked in a safe and level location. The gear is in neutral and both parking brakes are applied. And I'm going to chock the wheels. My landing gear, there's no debris. It's a level surface and the surface is solid. I'm going to lower my landing gear now. Landing shoes are secure. I'm going to disconnect my lines now. My lines are secure. And I'm going to unlock my fifth wheel handle. Fifth wheel handle is unlocked. My jaws are open. So I'm going to release just my tractor brake now. I'm going to move forward slightly. So my fifth wheel and apron are separate. My landing shoes are still secure, and the trailer is standing by itself, so that therefore the trailer is secure. So my line connectors, no crack, no damage, tight secure. The electrical line connector, no crack, no damage, tight secure. The bungee cord is no crack, no damage, tight secure, and securely attached to the tractor body. The service line, no crack, no damage, tight and secure. The rubber seal for the service line is no crack, no damage, tight and secure. My electrical line is no crack, no damage, tight and secure. The electrical line connector is no crack, no damage, tight and secure. And all 7 holes are free of debris and water. It's no crack, no damage, tight and secure. Now my supply line, no crack, no damage, tight and secure. Supply line glad hand is no crack, no damage, tight and secure. Supply rubber seal, no crack, no damage, tight and secure. My lines are secure. The fifth wheel from this side is no crack, no damage, tight and secure. It's well greased. Fifth wheel handle, it's no crack, no damage, tight and secure, and it's in the open position. And the fifth wheel has 3 plates. My fifth wheel from this side is no crack, no damage, tight and secure, and it's well greased. The jaws are open, no crack, no damage, tight and secure, and it's well greased. And my hazard lights here, no crack, no damage, tight and secure, and they're working. My fifth wheel from this side is no crack, no damage, tight and secure, and it's well greased. My pathway in reversing is clear, there's no obstruction, and there's no overhanging wires. My fifth wheel and my apron are on the same level. My service line is no crack, no damage, tight and secure. Service line glad hand is no crack, no damage, tight and secure. Service line rubber seal, no crack, no damage, tight and secure. The electrical line is no crack, no damage, tight and secure. Electrical connector is no crack, no damage, tight and secure. All 7 pins are straight and free of any debris. Is no crack, no damage, it's tight and secure. The supply line is no crack, no damage, tight and secure. Supply line glad hand is no crack, no damage, tight and secure. And the supply line rubber seal is no crack, no damage, it's tight and secure. So my apron is no crack, no damage, tight and secure, and it's well greased. My kingpin is no crack, no damage, tight and secure, and it's well greased. And it's aligned with the jaws, which are open. Now I'm going to perform the tug test. Tug test 1. Tug test 2. So there's no gap between my fifth wheel and my apron, and the handle's in the locked position. And the jaws are locked. Yeah, I'm going to attach my lines now. Okay, my lines are attached. Now I'm going to raise my landing gear. And my handle is secure.
The air pressure gauge is working in a normal operating range of 80 to 145.
Okay, now we're going to perform the air leak test. I'm going to release my trailer supply. And then once you stop hearing the noise, turn off the engine. Now I don't hear any air leaks. And I don't see any drops on my gauges. Now we're going to check the service line. I'm going to hold my brake. I don't hear any air leaks. And I don't see any drops on my gauges. I'm going to reapply trailer brake. And that is the uncoupling and coupling.